key red flags or red lights to know you are already replaced. Number 1, takes too long to reply to your texts. When you see girlfriend, when you see a boyfriend taking too long to reply to your text, you text in the morning, the reply comes in the evening. You text in the evening, the reply comes the other day. Guys, get to know there's someone taking your position. My name is Seth. I am giving this video from our studio, New Life Educators Room, where greatness comes from learning. Guys, we request you subscribe. Kindly subscribe to our channel so that anytime we upload new videos, you'll be able to access the information. Number 2, often missing your call. Never call you back. Then you make a call. He has missed your call. He has missed your call. He's not bothered until you call again. Guys, get to know that your position in that affair is already taken. Number 3, never call you, not unless you call back. We have some relationships where there's only one person calling. It can be a man, it can be a woman, but get to know that there is only one person who is making calls each and every day. The other is just there, he's not calling you, he's not bothered. He's not bothered totally. My friend, you can be in such relationships, you are the only one in the relationship. You are in love with yourself. Number 4, never text you unless you text. Not making a text. Not texting you, not unless you text. And if you text, for example, you say hello, she will say hello. He will say hello. When you say how are you, I'm fine. Where are you? In the house. My friend, welcome Guinje. Number 5, often gets angry at you for very simple, very stupid mistakes. You make very simple mistakes, she gets angry. He gets angry. My friend, you are in a relationship with yourself. Number 5, often gets, start to compare you with other ladies, other men. Marao, you're not behaving like so and so. You're not behaving like my ex. You're not treating me like so and so is treating the other. You're not doing this like so and so is doing. My friend, in such relationships, your place has already been taken. Get to know that. Number 7, start asking you silly questions, like prove that you are his or her lover. Silly questions, very stupid questions. But when you such stupid questions, get to know that your position has been taken. And this is enough to tell you that, my friend, you have no option. You need to look for another through pass, out, exits, such an exit. My friend. Number 8, start to demand abnormally. When she starts to demand abnormally, she wants this, she wants that. She wants those, she wants this. Send me credit, send me fare. Send me lunch, send me breakfast. Do me this, buy me this clothing. Buy me this shirt, buy me this socks. Buy me this, do me that. My friend, start loving yourself. Start taking care of yourself and start loving yourself. Very soon, tabaki hapo, kinyadhi hapo. Number 9, stop being patient with you. When he stops being patient, she can't wait. He can't wait. He wants things instantly done. Mara here. No patience. My friend, that place you're proud of has already been taken. Take control. Na uanze kujipanga, my friend. Number 10, no time for meeting you. No time. We call them Mr. Busy or Madam Busy. Mara, my uncle was getting wedding. My uncle sent me. My mother wanted this. I was doing laundry. I was watching movie. I was going to class. I was doing this. Mara this. My friend, start looking for an exit. Look for an exit very fast. Or replace such. Number 11, no comfort while with you. Have you ever seen rich people? You are with them and they're just worried. They're just worried. Making calls. They're looking back. Looking where? They're not comfortable. You're just wasting their time. My friend, if you see such like things, get to start again. Prepare to start again. Prepare. That is a red flag. Red light. Number 12, phone on silent mode while together. You're together, but the phone is in silent mode. Wengine watoto wanafunga simu, they close their phone. My friend, get to know you are already replaced. Flight mode. Silent mode. Phone is locked. Mara battery yangu inaishanga mapema. Such like nonsensical issue. My friend, anza kujibanga mapema. Na wewe ujue shamba yako imechukuliwa. So these are some of the few, we have a lot of them, and we want to give you other very interesting ones. So anytime, any day, get prepared. Thank you for watching our channel, all the videos. Our team would want to give you very other interesting videos just like this. But before then, we would be happy if you like, subscribe, and share our videos to other social media users so that anytime we upload new videos, you will be able to access the video. Subscribe again.